Midnight Meridian Treasure Box. Dive into a shadowed landscape of design where the deep, inky depths of Montana blue and smoky quartz collide with the haunting shimmer of crystal AB patina. This collection invites you to explore the tension between light and dark, pairing the cold, architectural gleam of liquid silver with the weathered organic soul of turquoise and olive jade cord. Every element, from the sharp metallic edge of the Athena cast wishbone to the ethereal glow of teal luster, is a stroke of moonlight intended to help you craft jewelry with a mysterious storied soul. Hi, it's Centra with Potomac Beads June subscription, and this one is called Midnight Meridian. So let's dive in and see those goodies. Yes. I'll be back. So I'm back. You know I had to get my organizer. So now let's start off with this check glass rounds. Yes. Nice. The next one is magnesite turquoise Radel bead, 6 millimeter. Nice. Yes. Yummy. Yep, that's a lot. The next is Potomac Pearls Baby Pink, 4 millimeter. A half a strand. Nice. Nice. So when the pearls are small like this, a 4 millimeter, I use them as spacers. The next one is Miyuki Seed Beads, Montana Blue, Gold Luster, 11 O's, and they are small. Beautiful. They are small. Lovely. The next one is Crystal Radel Beads, Blue Zircon AB, 2x3 millimeter, 100 in a pack. A pack of 100. Look at those, baby. Aren't they beautiful? The next one is Round Dual Beads, White Gray Luster, 5 millimeter, 25 in a pack. The next one is Check Drop Beads, Mixed Blue Swirl, 9x6 millimeter, pack of 20. These are nice. And I want to show you the hole is on the, let me see. So here's the hole. Nice. The next one is Quad Bow Beads, White Teal Luster, 14 in a pack. Look at these. And they have 4 holes. Nice. The next one is Athena Liquid Silver Straight Tube, 10 millimeter. Nice, these tubes. Look at them. See that? There we go. The next one is Crystal Bezeled Chatons, Gold Champagne, 5 millimeter. These are pretty. Nice. Then we have Athena Cast Bead Bell Style Spacer, Detailed Tibet Silver, 2 by 6 millimeter, 30 in a pack. Nice. Pretty. The next one is a Crystal Resolute, Crystal AB Patina, 14 millimeter. Beautiful. Picasso. Nice. In the back. Pretty. Next we have Azuki Seed Beads, Metallic Silver, size 8 O's. Beautiful. Look at these. I'm gonna leave it in the pack. Nice. The next one is Athena Cast Wishbone Charm. Nice. And last is this jade cord, and you can adjust it. It's up to 26 inches. Olive. So yeah, you can put beads on here and you can adjust it. Pulling this, when you pull this cord, you can pull it all the way up to here. You can make a necklace. You see? Nice. So we're going to wrap it up here nicely and put it next to the beads. So there you have it, Midnight Meridian from Potomac Beads. Please like, share, comment. I would definitely like to know what you think, what particular beads you prefer, pearls, like me. And also subscribe. Until next time, bye.